Hello, welcome to the ninth part of the Resonance Day game series, and in this lecture I'm going to introduce to you the third task and the last task of the Resonance Day game. So if you have been following the last lectures of the Resonance Day game series, you already know about the inner indicators, you already know about the first two tasks of the Resonance Day game. So the last task is grounding. Okay, so if you are a light worker, if you meditate, you already have been grounding, okay, and you know the importance of grounding. If you do not, grounding is essentially relaxing your own state of being, and it helps you to integrate the evolutionary lessons that needs to come to you before you ascend to even higher stages of evolutionary consciousness. Because guess what? When you follow your resonances, you move towards your life purpose frequency, and your life purpose frequency is essentially going to move you toward higher stages of evolutionary consciousness. You're going to move toward higher stages of consciousness, and that is going to naturally come to you. Now, before you move to higher stages of consciousness, a whole lot of wisdom, a whole lot of learning and integration needs to happen, and that happens when you ground. Okay, so if you meditate, you have a meditation in your routine and you've been doing that, you have been grounding already in some way or the other. Now, grounding is very important throughout the 7-day resonance game. It's because you will be following your resonances, you will be following your inspiration, you will be doing resonance sprees and everything. All of this is going to increase your state of being. You will be noticing that you are feeling a lot more excitement, joy, bliss, and all the good feelings, way more in frequency than you are used to. All of this is going to increase your state of being, increase the frequency of your state of being, and move you towards higher stages of evolution. If you do not ground, what happens is a whole lot of integration does not happen. Okay, a lot of wisdom needs to go deep inside you before you reach even higher. If it does not integrate well, what happens is if you force yourself to move even higher, you become disbalanced. Okay, and you will feel that is imbalance in your own state of being, that you are trying to move towards higher state of excitement without the necessary ground. Right? So that is why grounding is very, very essential. So the third task of the 7-day resonance game is 5 minutes of grounding. So if you already have been meditating, this third task, you can eliminate it. If you have a daily meditation in your schedule, you can totally eliminate it because you have already been doing that. Okay, but if you have not been doing grounding, I'll have a separate audio file, a guided meditation, a simple grounding meditation for 5 minutes audio file, which you can make use to ground for the next 7 days. And I want you to have 5 minutes of grounding time throughout your 7-day experiment of the resonance game, right? So that's it. Use the guided meditation, download it. I'll have the link in the description of the video, and download it and make use of it throughout the 7-day resonance game. You will notice when you ground, it will feel like grounding. It will feel like balancing your energies, and you will, in your grounding session, will notice a lot of integration happening. Maybe it will not happen immediately in the first 5 days, but maybe in the 6th or 7th days, you will notice you have a lot of background of wisdom surrounding your new experiences, right? That's what grounding is for you to integrate your ascension lessons, right? So make use of the guided meditation and find 5 minutes of your time, at least 5 minutes, to do grounding. Again, if you have already been meditating, you can use it for ground for a lot way more as you prefer, as you feel comfortable, right? So that's it. And I hope that you have been making use of the lectures in the live purpose series. I'll have a link of the live purpose series lectures somewhere above the video or maybe in the description. It's because the lectures in the live purpose series are going to give you a whole lot of background about many of the things and experiences that you'll be experiencing in the Resonance Day game, and that will help you also answer a lot of questions that you will have throughout the series, right? If you have been watching it in this video in my YouTube channel, I'll appreciate if you subscribe to my channel and click the bell notification so that you'll receive a notification whenever I release a new video lecture. If you're watching this in my website, please leave a comment, share your feedback, and let me know how your experiences have been. Also leave a comment if you're watching this in my YouTube channel. I am creating a new FB group called the Alchemists of Earth for Lightworkers, where I'm helping Lightworkers to move to higher stages of evolutionary consciousness by these programs that I'm creating. In the group, I will have a lot of discussions, live sessions, group sessions that I'm planning to have, and you'll find a lot of Lightworkers who are on the same journey, evolutionary journey as you are, and it's a really fun place to be. So I invite you to join my new FB group, Alchemists of Earth. I'll share the link of the group in the video description. So I hope you have an amazing time, and in the next video lecture I'm going to be sharing the exercise sheet where you will be tracking all the metrics and playing the Resonance game. So I hope to see you in the next video, and have an amazing day. Bye bye.